Apply honey and lemon mask for clear, glass skin. Lemon juice for 5th spoon. It helps you achieve even-toned, smooth and glowing skin. Lemon juice naturally contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that may help reduce skin damage and premature aging. Lemon juice can get rid of dead skin cells. The theory is that it might also alleviate skin patches attributed to psoriasis. Add honey 1 spoon. Honey deeply moisturizes and hydrates the skin. Honey diminishes the signs of premature aging. Mix well. Honey is an effective pore cleanser and gentle exfoliator. Lemon juice is a natural cure for blemishes. The secret to younger-looking skin lies in your kitchen, in the form of lemons. Honey and lemon mask hydrates skin, clears acne, works as a gentle cleansing agent, dries out pimples, reduces redness and instantly soothes irritation, brightens skin, reduces dryness and even flaking, evens out skin tone due to sun damage or blemishes and helps reduce. Apply the mask, covering your face and neck but avoiding the area near your eyes. Mask for reducing skin inflammation and redness. It also helps to minimize your pores and get rid of those pesky blackheads. Wait 20 minutes and then wash off with warm water.